Okay, kids, today it's science experiment day. We're going to do a science experiment for homeschool. We are going to make homemade lava lamps. So we're going to make ours with Frozen and Ninja Turtles, and I'm going to show you how to do it, mostly with just stuff you have around the house. So come on, let's go do our science experiment. Let's get smart. Now I just started with 3 plastic bottles. I used colored plastic bottles because that's what I had around the house and they looked nice. If you just have clear plastic bottles or a clear glass jar, it'll work just as well. When you put the bottom third, you fill it a third of the way full with water at the bottom. Just put a couple drops of food coloring in the bottom and that'll make a really nice effect. When the bubbles come up, they'll be colored. So you fill the bottom third with water and the top 2/3 with vegetable oil. So I prefer using a small jar. You can use a tall jar or a tall jug. You can make your lava lamp as big as you want. I like to use a little one so we don't have to use as much vegetable oil and stuff. Next, we just take Alka-Seltzer or an effervescent tablet that you have around the house and you break them up into small pieces. So it'll make more bubbles and it'll dissolve faster if you break them up into pieces rather than just throwing the entire tablet in. But if you're doing a large jug, you could throw a couple of full tablets in. But I prefer just to break them up so they make more bubbles quicker. Now how this works is the water is heavier than the oil and the oil and water won't mix. So you can see the line if you look closely that the water stays on bottom and the oil sits on top instead of mixing together. So when you drop the tablets in, they go down into the water and they have the chemical effect which causes the bubbles. They make oxygen, they release oxygen and make the bubbles. And you can see it's starting to flow up into the oil, the bubbles, making the lava lamp effect. Now to make it even brighter and nicer, I'm going to use flashlights and put them underneath my bottles. Let's turn the light out. Okay, so now we're going to throw the tablets back in and make more bubbles. So that's it. It's that simple. And like I said, if you don't have the colored bottles around the house, just any water bottle, a plastic bottle or a glass bottle, and put a couple drops of food coloring in the water. When you fill it a third of the way up on the bottom with water, that inch or two of water, 3 inches, depending on the size of your bottle, just put a couple drops of food coloring in there and it'll push those colored bubbles up through the oil. And any flashlight, just hold it underneath your bottle and there you have it, a lava lamp that you can make at home. Okay, tune back in for lots more easy and fun science experiments that you can do with things you just have around the house. And subscribe to our channel. We have lots of learning videos and tons of fun toy videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.